In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to update your website's content, make a few stylistic changes, or simply experimenting with different text options, Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface that makes these changes a breeze. Let me walk you through the process. First off, navigate to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point for everything we're going to do today. Once you're there, the next step is to get logged in. You'll see a login option which you should click on to proceed. Squarespace offers several ways to sign in, but for simplicity and convenience, let's use the Continue with Google option. This choice allows you to log in with your Google account, making the process smoother if you already have a Google account. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. Select your account to move forward. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on the specific website you want to edit. Go directly to your Squarespace website by entering its URL or navigating through your Squarespace dashboard. When your site loads, look for a section labeled Edit on your dashboard. This will take you to the editing interface of your website. Within the editing interface, the real fun begins. Start by navigating to the page that contains the text you wish to modify. On this page, click directly on the text area you're interested in changing. You'll notice that when you hover over or select the text box, an edit icon appears, usually signified by a pencil icon or something similar. Click on this icon to transition into the text editing mode. Here in the text editing mode, you are free to make any changes to your text. Feel the freedom to tweak the wording, adjust the font size, or experiment with different styles until you're satisfied with how it looks. Remember, your changes are not permanent until you decide to save them, so feel free to experiment. After you've made your edits and are happy with how your text looks, it's crucial to save those changes. Look for a save option, which is typically represented by a button or icon in the editor. Clicking save will apply the changes to your website, making your edited text visible to anyone who visits. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully edited text on your Squarespace website. Remember, the great thing about Squarespace is its ease of use. You can come back at any time to make changes, update text, or even redesign your site with just a few clicks. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to make text edits to keep your website fresh and engaging. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has made you more comfortable with editing text on Squarespace and empowers you to take full control of your website's content. Keep exploring, keep editing, and most importantly, keep creating.